Good day. This is Randy from InvestSharp.com with your weekly watch list. It is Sunday, February the 6th, Super Bowl Sunday. So this week I do have some. I left the kind of similar format that I usually do. I have some that are stocks are looking really good, holding up well. Then I also have some breakouts, some triangles, some near breakouts, or they could be at resistance, and then quite a few bull flags, a lot more than I'm sure I've identified here, but at least to give you some ideas for the week. So we'll start off with some breakouts. Bon-Ton Stores has, had a nice breakout Thursday, lots of volume behind it, took out the downtrend line. So I think it's worth a watch this week. Next, Open, nice breakout, another one to keep your eye on. Penn had a breakout, still holding, should have some support around here. Had lots of volume on the breakout. It was on, earnings, and definitely think it's worth watching. Lulu, really strong, huge breakout Friday. Lots of volume behind it. Deck taking out the downtrend line, and it's looking pretty good. Corning been real strong. Hartford Financial, nice breakout Friday, post earnings. Fastenal taking, or is it Fastenal, taking out the downtrend line, looks good. Netflix, O'Reilly taking out the little downtrend line, and a little volume coming in there. Under Armour, lots of the retailers breaking out, Ralph Lauren, PVH, Phillips Van Heusen, Ross Stores, all those look good. Ultratech, nice breakout. Lots of volume coming in this one. Of course, this was post earnings. It flagged back. You might wait for the next possible flag. I mean, it's had a real good move every time. The last couple times it's flagged, pulled back a little bit. So you might watch for that setup. And Yum, taking out the downtrend line, post earnings, and holding up well afterwards. Next, take a look at some triangles. This one is already broken out of the triangle, but it's really looks good, holding up well, had some good volume on the breakout. This one's still in it, little pennant, little triangle. Taleo, this one is still coiling in the triangle. Amtech in the triangle. Audio Codes had the breakout, tons of volume behind it, now holding the trend line there as support, looks good. DDR also had the breakout and holding up. Afterwards, just consolidating. Las Vegas still in this kind of a longer term, your last couple of months, right? Still coiling in here. Don't know if it's going to break down. Had a lot of selling volume there on Friday. Don't know if it'll break out down and lose the trend line or not. Avis in its little pennant triangle. Exide looks good. This one is, I like this longer term. It's got this kind of ascending triangle pattern. It's going to take a lot longer to play out, but I also like how it, bouncing back and forth in here. So I'm kind of watching it for a breakout here of the downtrend line. Huda, CVGI, these are all still triangles. STLD looks really good. US Bank Corp, a nice ascending triangle pattern. Next, these are near breakouts, or that could be at resistance. So it could be for a quick short. The market has not been easy to short as of late, so but next week might change. You never know. ANV, UEC, Southwest Energy. It's been looking really good in this ascending pattern. RRC, Informatica, IBM, all looks good. And next, bull flags. Lots of bull flags. HXL, OSIS, RRR Holdings, Whiting Petroleum, CXO, Concho Resources, XCC, SciTech Industries, Stanley Black & Decker, Conoco, Qualcomm, CLF, Freeport McMoran. It's kind of a tight little movement here, consolidating, flagging out. Southern Copper, Anadarko Petroleum, Weatherford, Eaton, Wells Fargo, CTSH. All these looking really good. Lots of volume coming in into this one here on Friday. So now take a list. I'm not going to go through the ones that are holding up well. I mean, you know, these are all, there's tons of stuff out there holding up well. There's just some identified, but you know, the oil services looking really good. Ag still look good. A lot of the oil and gas integrateds still looking really good. And a lot of the tech, of course, still looking good. So kind of what we covered. I did not cover the holding up well. You can zip through those when you get a chance. All right, so that's all I have for today, and make it a great day, and I'll be back with you during the daily market analysis tomorrow. Thanks.